Hey everyone, today I just want to chat to you about this really awesome product. It's the Smart Cam R1 and I'm really happy with it. I've unboxed it already, but I'm going to show you what's inside. First of all, they give you really simple instructions in many different languages, but you can literally just scan over here. Takes you either to Google Play or to the App Store, and you can literally just go on it, scan it, and it'll tell you what to do and how to set it up, but it's quick and simple. And then there is the plug, which plugs in, and as you can see, it's got a USB cord that is super long and attached to this awesome, lightweight, quite cool looking camera. So that goes straight into your plug and goes all the way, boom, plugs in, and it's on. It's really good, really nice looking, got different angles, everything like that. It is 2K resolution. It's also waterproof, which is great if it's raining, or basically rain, hail, snow, whatever you need, it'll be good. And it has two-way audio, which is cool, and color night vision. Also, it connects straight up to your phone, so it means wherever you are in the world, you can just look on your app and just check and see what's going on, if it's alerted or anything like that. And yeah, I'm really excited about it, and I think it's a really great product, and I would definitely recommend it. 5 stars.